Hi everyone, let me welcome you to Kenyatta Poultry Breeder. We thank God this evening, it's a beautiful evening, and we really thank God for the good things He has done for us. In this video, I want to update you on the good news, how we really pulled out of the rainy season, which had a lot of challenges, how we are going on, and the progress of our chicken in our backyard at this moment. So the first challenge we got was the manual. The first challenge we got was the mites. There was rampant. Uh, there was a lot of mites in the feathers of the chicken. We really went through every chicken, putting to dust on the feathers, and we really killed the mites. And right now the chicken are okay. We managed to go through all of them because we have a chicken on this side, as you see. We have other chicken on the other side. Those are the cocks. We have other chickens on the other side again. We have three different parts, and we managed to go through them. All of them, we put them to dust, and every chicken is okay right now. Another thing, there was rampant of so many diseases. Actually, the new diseases which I don't even know the names. But those ones I use alizarin, I use aloe vera, I used pilipili. We were putting them in the drinking water. And for now, everything is okay. The chicken are okay. The diseases, right now we don't have any we don't have diseases actually. The chicken are okay, and we really thank God. Another thing we had was the decrease by 40% of production of eggs. We had the lowest. That was due to the cold weather, and it was, I think, what was affecting much was the weather, which was very cold due to the rainy season. And let me update you. Let me show you our eggs right here. We have 3 eggs there. Here, this chicken, we have almost 5 there. On this side of the chicken, their eggs are here. We open it this way. Those are the eggs. Today eggs. And this side of this chicken, open it this way. These are today eggs. So the eggs are improving. We are getting like 60% of what we were getting. What is affecting again is that some of the chicken are laying on the eggs. So, but in that one, I'll update you on another video, and I'll show you where those chicken are. So for now, thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you so much for my old subscribers. Be blessed. For the new viewers, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everyone, kindly share leave a positive comment, leave a word of encouragement, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Bye.